Hello students, welcome to your ID class, and we are learning the chapter web applications, and in the same series we have the topic network topology. Network topology क्या होगा? It will be the arrangement of connected nodes, how they are connected, in which pattern, or we can say in which geometric pattern they are connected with each other. So let's define the term. The arrangement of connected nodes in the communication network. क्या है हमारा? अरेंजमेंट ऑफ कनेक्टेड नोड्स इन द कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क, दैट इज रेफर्ड टू एज नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी. It is the geometric representation of the relationship of nodes connected in a network. So basically we are saying that in which geometrical pattern the nodes are connected with each other, that is defined as network topology. We have various types of topologies. The first one, as the easiest one, is bus topology. Bus topology, it is same as the name suggests. There is a single central cable and all the nodes are connected with each other with the help of this cable. There is very less traffic and the data flow is also very less. The efficiency is also low and we can easily solve any type of failure if there exists any network failure. It is very low cost. It can be installed very easily with very less investment. Okay, like we have this network. These nodes A, B, C, D are connected with each other with the help of central backbone cable. This central cable is known as backbone cable. So we can transmit the data from A to D simply with the help of this cable. If this fails, it is very easily recognize that where is the error, where is the failure in our network has existed. So we can easily use our bus topology for a small network, but in case of very complex network it is not suggested to use the bus topology. The very next topology we have is our star topology. Star topology, it is the pattern in which the nodes are connected in a star pattern, in the shape of a star, and in this case we have one central host and all the nodes are connected to the central host. Central device we use is hub. What we use? Hub. There is medium traffic in the network and the efficiency is greater than the bus topology. In this also we can easily solve the failures in our network, except if the hub fails. If central device will fail, then it will be difficult to recognize the failure, but in other cases we can easily solve the problems. There is high installation cost, like we can see in the diagram. This is hub and these are the different nodes that are connected with the hub, and this is the shape of a star in which various nodes are connected and they are used to transmit the data and to communicate with each other. Next topology we have is ring topology. Ring topology, in this topology all are connected in a circular fashion in the shape of a ring. They are connected in the circular pattern and there is high traffic in the network. Its efficiency is moderate. We can say neither it is high nor it is low. This is also very difficult to inculcate the problem and to recognize where the failure has occurred, and it takes efforts to solve the network failure. There is a high cost of installation, and if you forward the data like A, B, C, D, there are 4 nodes connected with each other and we have to pass on the data to A to D, then it will be passed through all the nodes, and in case of any node failure in between, the data might get lost. Okay, so to improve the efficiency of these topologies, there is mesh topology. Mesh topology क्या है? In this all the devices are connected with each other directly. Okay, like in the previous one all the devices were not connected, like B to D and and A to C, these were not connected. In this case also they were not directly connected with each other. In case of bus topology as well, all the devices were not connected. But in case of mesh topology, each and every device is connected to one another, so that data can be directly transmitted to each other. There is no traffic and the efficiency is the very highest. It is easy to solve the problems, like we can directly come to know that where failure has occurred and how to recover that. There is high cost of the installation as the design and the pattern is very complex, so we need efforts to install and very high installation cost is needed. Last we have hybrid. Hybrid क्या है? It is a mixture of different topology. As per our requirement, we can mix the pattern of various topologies. There is also no traffic and the efficiency is improved in this case. We can easily solve the problem, and as it is a mixture of different topologies, installation cost will be higher. Okay, so these were various network topologies. Thank you, class.